Pertaining to manufacturing and reducing our dependency of exports in India, imports to India. First is that, a lot of very few medical devices are manufactured in India. Some medical devices that are manufactured are typically, medium to low value. They may or may not have the requisite certifications like FDA or CE. So one of the essential things is that academia and industry collaborate with each other so that the right kind of R&D can be available to the institutions as well as to the students, which in turn would help the manufacturers to adopt the new technologies and innovation to manufacture medical devices that are efficient, that are cost effective, that are suitable for the Indian environment, because Indian environment, unlike the Western environment, are very harsh. If I recall my days at GE, I have worked for 11 years in GE Healthcare. The R&D over there, GE Healthcare had over 1,500 scientists, engineers and PhDs who were working on medical devices for India and globally. And in the later years, it was more focus was on India and South Asia, where a lot of work was done. And the devices were created not by adopting the devices from the Western countries, but by studying the Indian environment, Indian power requirement, Indian environmental conditions, the rough usage areas that the devices would work on. For example, in the rural areas, in dust-prone areas, in heat and humidity. So all those things had to take into effect. So the corporates today have to invest themselves if they have to do the R&D and manufacture the devices. Whereas if the industry collaborates with the academia, for which the environment is very, very limited, and actually there is very little that has been done. It is only after the COVID pandemic broke that the Prime Minister and the other ministries, including the Health Ministry, started giving emphasis on industry-academia partnerships. I think a lot of collaboration can help in creating new, cost-effective, as well as devices which require the features and facilities for the Indian environment to run in the Indian environment, which would reduce the dependency of India on imports, because a lot of medical devices imported from abroad attract a lot of duties. Earlier there used to be life-saving devices that had 0% duties. Now the duties range from 10% upwards, on medical devices, including the very costly medical devices, for which the affordability of the patients in the private sector, as well as the affordability of the government institutions to procure these kind of medical devices, becomes a little difficult with the reducing of the budgets from the government, even for the government institutions. So I think collaboration between the industry and the academia will help. Small efforts have been made by the Health Minister starting from 2017, but I think even more efforts need to be made so that medical devices of global standards could be manufactured in India at the right price with the right efficiencies.